Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. In this quick video, we will talk about cleaning your glass bed, what could be very simple but also quite difficult if you are using extra help for adhesion, like glue for example. With a regular print, it's easy to clean a cold bed. You have to disable the steppers in the Prepare menu in order to move easily the axes. Then you scratch the extra materials on the bed, and after that a sponge, isopropyl alcohol, and the job is done. But if you use extra help for your print like glue for example, the after-print bed could be a mess. But with good tools, in few minutes everything will be okay. I am personally using a glass scraper, a tool for cleaning ceramic hob. The first thing that you have to do is to go to a high temperature, 80 degrees, and then the glue will be easy to remove. And I mean easy to remove if you are using a glass scraper, because quite frankly it's not so easy with a removal tool. But with the glass scraper it will be easy, and after that isopropyl alcohol will perfectly clean the bed. And finally, if you are using double-sided tape, it's even easier. As you can see, you don't have anything more to do than to hit the bed, and then using the scraping tool in order to remove the tape, you will also remove the object. And once again, isopropyl alcohol will finish the job.